Do you know the one English word that instantly makes you sound successful and refined? Today's power word is accolade. An accolade is an award, praise, or special recognition given to someone for their achievement. It's a very formal, elegant word. Many learners think accolade means only a medal or a certificate. But an accolade can be a compliment, public praise, a shout-out, an award, or even a title. Any recognition. He received an accolade for his research. She earned several accolades in her career. This effort deserves an accolade. Winning that award is the highest accolade in the industry. A young girl loved painting. People laughed at her hobby. She kept practicing every day. Years later, her art was displayed in a gallery. She received an accolade from the city. The same people who laughed now respected her. Remember, accolade is a Kool-Aid. You drink Kool-Aid when you achieve something. An accolade is something cool you earn. Our team won accolades for solving a difficult problem. He received an accolade for outstanding performance. Reaching 100,000 subscribers is an accolade every creator dreams of. Don't chase accolades. Chase excellence, and accolades will follow. Every time someone praises you or gives you an award, that is an accolade. Comment below if you want the next power word.